Video shows strong wind lifts Turkish man holding umbrella up in air. A video has surfaced online, showing a man being lifted several feet into the air while trying to hold down a patio umbrella during a storm in southern Turkey this week, while other people also tried to stop the umbrella from flying. The man went on to step on the umbrella's base. He jumped off the umbrella's base later. US-made rifle used by Pak Army recovered from GEM terrorists in J&K. A US-made M4 rifle used by Pakistani Army has been seized from two top Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists who were killed by security forces during an encounter in J&K's Budgam district on Friday. The two GEM operatives are suspected to be Pakistani nationals. Reportedly, this is the second M4 carbine seized in the valley in the last 6 months. Woman brain dead for 3 months gives birth to baby boy. Ex-Portuguese canoeist Catarina Sequeira, who was declared brain dead on December 26 after a severe asthma fit when she was 19 weeks pregnant, gave birth to a baby boy on Thursday. For around 56 days, a ventilator was attached to her to enable her baby to survive in her womb. The funeral of the 26-year-old Catarina was held on Friday. Tracking 250 debris objects from ASAT test. ISS not at risk. US is tracking 250 to 270 objects of space debris generated due to India's anti-satellite ASAT missile test in low Earth orbit. But the International Space Station is not at risk, the Pentagon said on Friday. The U.S. Defense Department added it will continue to track the debris and issue close approach notifications as required until it enters the Earth's atmosphere.